Hey guys, welcome to my cooking channel. Welcome back. Chef Carlton here. I'm going to be starting a new series and I'm excited about this, guys. It's going to be called Cooking Around the World, where I'm going to be selecting a region and I'm going to select 5 countries that I'm going to feature. So I'm going to pick a country, then I'm going to pick the dish, then I'm going to do a demo of the dish, talk you guys through, walk you guys through some origination of the dish, the history, a little bit of fun facts about the dish, and it's going to be fun. So stick around for it, guys. I got season 1 coming out. I'm starting with the Caribbean, so look out for that. So I'm gonna pick 5 countries from the Caribbean, pick a dish to represent, and walk you guys through, talk you guys through, and you guys are gonna tell me your guys' favorite from that region. And we're gonna go from there. All right. So thanks again for subscribing, guys. Keep it checked in, and I appreciate the support from all my subscribers.
You ever see a chef in a kitchen when them a roll? Hot topic full of hot food, it never cool. Customize a dish quicker than a girl a road. Serve me piece of jerk, no little light, no semitone. You ever see a chef in a kitchen when them a roll? Hot topic full of hot food, it never cool. Customize a dish quicker than a girl a road. Serve me piece of jerk, no little light, no semitone. In a China, me eat the great tuna pork. In a India, me try the great masala chai. Big the pepper and it make it look like me a cry. Russia me need pie, everybody need a chai. The kitchen a run like a taxi at Dubai. Sri Lanka dal curry make you lick your mouth like puppy. Everybody come in hurry, Uganda have got a story. Nyama roast up like God, that's so me love it. Hey Zimbia, the man we a food. Them a foot no get no diarrhea. Belly don't sound like plane pan the runway. Jamaica don't play with city ram soup. Nip the yam with your tooth till your belly damn shoot. Chef Carlton are the #1 cook. Serve me a octopus dish, me love pepper. Don't hide this too, cause me no love treasure. Present a good dish to me like a good letter.